Hello everyone, this is Suresh. Welcome to another Google Cloud session. So in this session, we are going to look into identify damaged car parts using Vertex AutoML vision. Okay. So without any delay, let me start the lab. And again, in this lab, we are not going to discuss anything theoretical or technical. So only here we are going to execute the task of steps provided for us. So without further delay, let's start with the setup first. Cloud shell as well. Okay. So let's get. So you can pause the video and go through the overview, the objectives as well. So in this objective, we are going to do the four top objectives that is provided in the lab. So let me cloud shell. So let's check the setup requirements. I think we should be good with this, all the steps. Cloud shell also got activated. Okay, let me execute this optional step as well. So after raising the student, the logged in user, the student has been authorized and active, and also also part of project. Project is also looking good. So task one, I suggest you to pause the video and understand and go through this information. So let's build a cloud storage. So with the code in the cloud shell, and this is going to create a bucket, the region US center. If you want, you can go and see here in the cloud storage in the buckets. You can see the bucket is not created, just created a piece of it. So, okay, let's move on. Let's copy the images. Okay, you can go and see the bucket. Inside the bucket, you can see the images. Now that so it's getting copied. Now you can see that. So refresh for the list. See, for each refresh, data is getting downloaded. That is what. Okay, now you can see how much data has been downloaded. Some information about it. Okay, let's check the progress. Now let's create the data set. Again, yeah, you can pause the video and go through the data set information, what we are planning to do. Else, then I think somewhere else I is down the update facility top. Again, you can see the what the steps has been provided and what we are doing here. I think some information in the data.csv looking good. Uploading that CSV file. Okay. And from the data CSV, okay, let's check whether the data CSV is available. So let's refresh. Yeah, you can see data.csv file is now. Let's go to the navigation menu, Vertex AI dashboard, enable all recommended API. And Vertex evaluation unit from data sets. Yeah, here it is. You can see in the left side from data set, select in the label, data set name, and advanced the US Central one, select single label classification, select connect your data set to your training images. Select and import, select import comes. This should not take this much of time. I'm not sure. Wait for this to get read. Okay, you can see this data set has been created. It took some time, about 5 to 6 minutes. After that, so we'll move on to the. So once we selected it, so select the input from cloud storage, the project, and select the file data.csv and check for this green tick mark. Okay. Click on continue. Yes. So as they mentioned in the note, it will take about 9 to 12 minutes for the images to import. So let's wait. So I will pause the video and come back. So it took about 15 minutes for to get this page. So what yeah, I think the report is completed. So back. Yes. So let's say it is ready and it is 100 images and type it. What do we hear? Yeah, let's open it. These and images pop up over here. Okay, so and the tag is done. So on my progress. Now let's inspect the image. That's the analyzed files. Okay, you can see that. I just check the image labels with the browser page in refresh datasets. Select browse under the filter. Click on any of the labels. For example, engine compartment. So we should see about 20 engine compartment related. Let's see whether anything is correctly matched. No, good. Sample is my tool. Let's see the comfort. The image. Looking good. And go to the analyze. And you can see the number of images that is dedicated in each label. Now let's ask for start a new training model. From the training method, leave the default configuration. So I have selected the AutoML by default. Click on and parts name. I will just model as the provided here. Options high accuracy Continue. Budget. Complete pricing. Maximum. Now, now let's start training. Oral training can take longer than allotted time to complete the lab. Okay. Does not need to finish training to continue next section. Okay, got it. So let's move on. Let's check. So the magical training is getting started. Okay. Task 1, I recommend you to pause the video and go through this. So I'll directly go with the steps. Google Cloud navigation, Cloud Run. Cloud Run. I think this is they have already provided in the lab. You can see this is the lab is already created. I mean, Cloud Run has been created 3 hours. Fine. What we click on the AutoML proxy and we can get the URL. Okay. Go to the Cloud Shell. Open the editor. Okay. Open the editor. Copy the following content in the new file. Okay. No. Okay. Next, okay. The content you supplied is base 64 string. Okay, this is the basically base 64 string. Okay. Next, set the following environment variables. Okay. What should I set this? Okay. Go and change this. What? Payload is done. Now we will do the curl operation. The output we are seeing prediction confidence 95.1. The spin name is bumper. Okay, this is the image. Remember, this is the bumper. This image information, it is getting the dynamic getting the information. Prediction. Okay. Pretty self-explanatory. Should correctly predict bumper. So this is predicted as bumper and looking good. Now save the progress. Looking good. Okay. Right click on the image. 2 images. Okay. Basically, what I do is I have images. You can see I have downloaded 2 images, image 1 and image 2. Image 1 and image 2. From the is in order, align the instruction. Replace the base system person. Fine. File. This one. Copy this base 64 equivalent. This is not value. Pasted. Okay. So now I pasted the base 64 equivalent code here. Save this as well. Go back to the lab and say goes up and run the prediction and repeat the other values. Okay, now we will see we are going to predict. We are basically going to execute the same command. Let's see what the prediction was. Now the prediction is engine compartment. First thing is this is the engine compartment and it predicted. So where I'm highlighting, you can see 98% it says the engine compartment. Similarly, what we can do is and load another image. Image 2. Okay. Let's copy. Similarly, we'll do the same thing. Content, posting the content view once saved. Let's see now what again predicting. It predicted as good and 96% confidence level. Okay, looking good. I think this concludes our session. So thanks for joining and have a great day.